Okay, good morning. Today's topic is complex numbers and rational numbers in Julia. Here, what is a complex number? The complex number always in the form a plus ib form. Here, sometimes some of the persons uses a plus. That means I in the sense I in the I is a the root of minus one value here. You are considering the I is a root of minus one. Some of the mathematician takes the I as a complex number. Some of the scientists j as a complex number. Different ways for the complex number is there. But in the Julia, the complex number is a global constant. Here I am. Here this is count here. You're representing the global constant. Here I am. That means 1 plus 2 I am. Here a plus b I am. Here it is a the complex number is bounded to complex number I, representing the principal square root of minus 1. That value always representing here is a principal square root here. Here that means, for example, if you take a simple example here, that means how can you represent the complex number? For example, a simple complex number I am writing here is a 1 plus 2 im, a simple complex number. Here that in this case 1 plus 2 im is a simple complex number. If you execute this one here, it produce result. This is a simple complex number. Sometimes the complex number I minus, here this is a simple complex number. That means it will produce the result as a 1 plus im instead of I or instead of j. Here the in the Julia you are using a im for representing the complex number here. Here, coming to the next point, here is a what are the operations here? You can perform all standard arithmetic operation with the complex number. That means by using complex number, you will perform the mathematical operation, and then the mathematical plus mathematical. That means different kinds of operation you may perform. Here, let us take a simple mathematical plus operation. How can you perform in? I'm going to add in two complex numbers here. Here the two complex numbers in this case here is a, here let us take 1 plus I 2 im is a one complex number, and then 2 im other complex number is a 2 minus 3 im, three different complex number. I am going to performing the operation. Here what is the operation here? 1 into 2 2, and then 1 into minus 3. Here that means here you having the im. That's why one that here the complex operations are appears like this here. 1 into, here I am writing simple information for it. 1 into 2. Here the next important one here is a 1 into minus im. Here 1 into minus im in the sense, here that's value I am taking as 3 im, and then again here 2 im into 2. That's a value here is a plus. Here 2 into 2, that's value 4. Here im, and then minus, here the minus 1. Here I into I, here I is a minus 1 minus 1. That means that's value treated as a plus value. Here if you execute this one here, the value here considered as a plus here. Here what is the value here? 1 into 1, and then that's value 2 into 3. That means 6. That's value convert here. Here the minus value is the represented minus of minus, minus of minus 6. 6 into I im into im, that's value plus 1. Here 6, that means simply it's coming the 6 here. Here the minus 3 im plus 3 im. Here for this value you are converted as a some 2 minus 1 3, 3 minus 3, that value, that's value here plus 1 im, and then plus here minus of minus 6. Here that's value 6. Here this value 8 plus 1 im. Here in this way you will performing the mathematical Here the mathematical operations here. For example, another mathematical operation, division. How can you perform the division value here? Here if you take the simple example, here I am going to perform the division of two numbers here. Here that result here producing like this. Yes, a plus ib. Here how can you represent the division here? The division divided by value. Here first 1 divided by 1 by m. Here that's value comes to the minus value. Here the, for example, 1 divided by 1 by im here, and then 2 divided by 2 im. That's value 1 divided by 1 im, in the sense that that's value automatically converted into imaginary numbers here. That value here 2 divided by 1 minus 2 im. Here in this way you will perform the arithmetic division operation. Similarly you will apply the addition, multiplication here, like that. Some of the operations are some addition operation. Let us say simple addition. Yeah, for your reference I am giving the simple addition operation here. Here what is the simple addition operation in this case? Here the simple addition operation is 1 plus I2m plus 1 minus I2m. Here the value is here 1 into 1 1 here. That means addition here 1 plus 1, and then 1 into that's value 1 by 1 you are calculating here. Here the value, the real values are appear in one place. In this imaginary values are appearing, that means I am in the sense imaginary value here appear in a one place here. The simple I am going to tell you simple representation here. 1 plus 1 here, and then again plus is there. That means I am dividing here. 2 im minus is there, 2 im. Here what is the result here? 1 plus 1 here is a 2, and then plus 2 im minus 2 im. What is the value here? That's value is 0. Oh, 2 plus 0, that's value here 2. That's a the exact result for the this addition operation. Yes, 2 0 im. Here in this way you will performing the addition, the multiplication, addition, and then similar case here is a you may perform the that operation here is a, for example you may perform the minus operation here. That means here, for example, execute this one, it produces the same result here. Here minus 3 minus 5 8, and then plus plus 1 3. Here in this way you are performing the division operation. Some of the cases here we may perform the power operation also. The power, that means for example 2 power 3. The power, how can you represent the 2 power 3 value here? 2 power 3, 4 power 3. That means in the mathematical operation I already explained the power. How can you represent the power here? You will represent the power value with cap symbol. Here it's the cap symbol. Here minus 1 plus 2 im power 2 whole square value. That means here the value, how can you appear this value here? The value appear like this. The value here, the value in this case here into same. Here this value is treated as a minus 1 plus im into minus 1 plus im. Here minus 1 into minus 1 here, and then minus 1 into 2 im, 2 im into minus 1 here, im into minus 1. In this way you are performing, that means the value here, this is where the power here in this way minus 3 plus some information you are existing here. Let us take here not only power to 3. If you take the 3 value here into another one, here, if you take the power 3 here into 1 minus 1, that value here. In this way we will perform the arithmetic operations. the arithmetic addition, arithmetic multiplication, the power of the arithmetic operation here. Here not only that one here, the power of 2.5 also you will calculate the power value here. And then the imaginary numbers, the complex numbers, the power of the complex numbers also you are taking here. But let us take two. That means in the previously you have a idea about the power 2 minus 1 plus 2i power 2. That means I want to represent a minus 1 plus im power minus 1 plus, that means imaginary number power imaginary number, imaginary number power imaginary number. Here you also get the result here. That means it also calculating the certain kind of value here. Here this relational number, this comes to the relational number. Here another important one here is a some of the operations are like this. Here 3, for example, you are having sometimes you may write a the for the imaginary number operation like this: 3 into 2 minus im. Here what is the value here? The value here is a 3 into, that means bracket indicates it's a automatically treated as a into value. That's a value here you consider as a, automatically you consider that value here is a um, 3 into, here 3 star that value here, this value your, let us take simple information 3 into, and then sometimes 3 into you may consider the cap value. Here 3 into 5i cap, cap also, for example here I am taking the cap value also. Here what is the cap 2? Here you also consider the this type of result here. In this way you will performing the all different arithmetic operators. Here not only arithmetic operation, some of the promotion mechanism is there. The promotion mechanism ensure that the operations of operands different type just work here. Here the promotion mechanism in the sense different types of, that means not only one complex number multiplication, complex number addition, you will perform the arithmetic operation on different types. Here that different types may be 2 into im, already I explained that one. Here for example let us take a simple example here. Here the simple example here 2 into im. Here how can you represent the 2 into im here? That's value here we are considered as a 2 into 2 plus im. Here for example other, that is a division operation. That means you may um, remove some of the rational number here. For example I'm going to remove the rational number like this. Here for example 2 plus 3 im minus 1. Here if this is another way here. Here for example you may remove the rational number value also. Here what are the rational number value here you are considering? For example 2 plus im uh, plus 0.5. Here if you execute that means you may get some result. That's a, that means you will performing the complex multiplication, complex addition. You will performing the complex with integer addition, complex with real number addition. Here like that you will perform the different operations. Here some of the functions here, that means in this way you will perform the different operation. Here another important concept here is a, you have a standard function to manipulate the complex values. You have a here, you have a standard functions here. That means some of the real function, some of the function. That means in this case here you have a certain kinds of functions are there. One is a real function, that means it will display the real value. Image function, it will display the imaginary value. And then conjugative function, here the complex of conjugative value. And then some of the function absolute value, angle value. Here these are all different function, different standard functions here performing the imaginary operation. Let us take a simple example. For example, I am taking the value 1 plus im. Here, let us take a simple example. Here is a 1 plus im. 1 plus im is an imaginary number. Here, I am taking this value. Here, I am going to applying all these function on these imaginary real. I want to know the real value of this variable. Here, what is the real value here? The real value here, one is a real value here. Here, the real value of this variable is a 1. Here, simply if you write a 1 plus im instead of 1 plus im, if you write a z here, here the value here also a z. Z in the sense the value 1 plus im, the value assigned to the value z. Automatically the real a similar case imaginary value here. Here you will get the imaginary value. How can you get the imaginary here? Im ag imaginary. Here for that one im ag, im ag is an imaginary value. That means it will display the result as a imaginary 2 im. Here it will display the 2. This imaginary value here is a 2. Here comes to the next consecutive function. Here the consecutive function, that means consecutive in the sense opposite, the opposite value. For example, minus 1 consecutive of 1 is a minus 1, like that opposite represented. For example, consecutive 1 plus im. Here the consecutive of 1 plus im is 1 minus im. For the this im 2 im consecutive value minus im. And then other important one here, absolute function. What is an absolute function here? The absolute function, absolute value, it displays the absolute value. Here for example, I am taking the absolute function like this. Absolute of what is an absolute value here? The value absolute here is a some this considering value here is 2.20. Let us take for this one simple example for the absolute value. Absolute in the sense absolute minus 5 equal to 5. Absolute value of 5 equal to 5 minus 5 and then 5, it's treated as same. Here see this one. Here absolute value of 1 plus im equal to 2.2360679 something. Absolute value of minus 1 minus 2 I am also a same result. It produces the same result. That is a absolute function. That means this type of function you will apply on a our system. Here the absolute 2, another function. Here we are using the absolute 2. What is absolute 2 function here? Squared absolute value. Here it's squared, the squared absolute value. It produces the squared absolute. Here comes to the here absolute 2. Here that means how can you get the absolute 2 here? 1 into, for example, the absolute 2 in the sense its value you are considering the square of this absolute value. Square in the sense into into the same value I'm taking. Here this value. For the above program, you are converting absolute value here like this. Here what is the value here? 1 into 1 1 plus. Here another one here is a some value. For example, 1 into 2 im, 2 im into 4 im, and then 4 im value, and then plus this value we are treated as a minus value. Here minus 4, I think maybe into 4 into 4 minus 1 4, that's value minus 4. Here even that means 4 minus 4 in the sense minus 3 into some value. Here that value, here after that you will get some value. That value you are having the absolute squared absolute value. Here the result here, if you see this one, the result you are taking 5. Squared, the squared absolute value. For example, angle, phase angle in a radian. Here the angle is a one type of function. Here the phase angle. Here let us take is phase angle here. In this case, phase angle of a system. Here that's a different kinds of function here. Not only those function here, some other elementary function is defined for the complex here. Some of the other elementary functions, square root function, cos function, exponent function, and then sine function, like that. You have a different kinds of function applicable for the our complex numbers here. For example, square root, the square root value, how can you get the square root value here? The square root value, are getting the square root how? For example, you take this one, square root function. Here not only those functions, here you are having the square root 1 im, the root of 1 im, the root value it indicates. That means im in the sense minus 1 root. Here the root value, here for that root again there is a root is there. Here you have a like this, the number, the root value here, you, that means imaginary value also. And then square root of 1 plus im. Here how can you calculate the 1 plus im here? That means automatically it takes a square root, the square root. For example, square root of 4 2, square root value, here's the square root of 2. Another, for example, 1 plus I am, it takes a 1 plus some imaginary value into, like that you will calculate the square root value. Not only square root here, here you will performing some trigonometric functions also. For example, trigonometric function, sine function, cos function. Here some, for example, cos of 1 plus im, here it gives some result here. That means by analyzing the result, that means you are applying some of the cost function on or trigonometric function on complex numbers. And then, other than that, if you want to evaluate this one, it's a very difficult. That means cos 90, cos 0 1, cos 91, 90 0, like that you have some certain values are there. And then exponential function, the mathematical ext function also applicable on this. That means ext function, let us take ext function, let us take ext function. That means in this way you have a different function. That means sine function, different function you will apply for the these complex numbers here. Here for example, simple representation here, a plus ib. Here for example, you are representing the sometimes you want to represent like this. For example, I am taking the a value and then b value and then a plus ib format. For example, I am taking the expression like this. Here a equal to 1 semicolon, b equal to 1, b equal to 2 semicolon, a plus ib. Here how can you get the result? Here a value here is a 1, b value here is a 2. The result here is a 1 plus 2i. um, 1 plus 2i. In this way you are writing the complex number. Otherwise sometimes the, if you want to write a some function is there, the complex function, the form, by using this complex function you will write the same value. For example, a equal to 1, b equal to 2. Instead of writing a plus b im, I am writing the complex of a comma b. That's result is also same result, a plus im. Here in this way we will perform the different operations on complex number. Here sometimes we may get the infinitive values also. That means you will perform in the infinitive complex numbers. Here inf, that means in Julia you are using the inf minus inf nan functions. Now that means already explained about the infinite, not infinite functions clearly. That means 1 plus im, that's value also 1.0 into im. And then some other non-nan function. Here for example, if you apply the nan, here what is the value of nan here in this case? Here in this case the nan is a this result, it producing the result as a NaN function. Here that is about the complex numbers. Here the simple complex numbers. This is a some information regarding the complex number. That means you will apply the INF and then NaN functions for the this complex numbers. Here another important one here is a rational numbers here. Here the rational number. What is a rational number here? The Julia has a rational number, the rational number type to represent a exact ratio of integers. Here, the rational numbers constructed using slash slash. Here, slash slash. The slash slash operator used to for constructing the rational numbers here. Yes, that is a simple information. If the numerator and the denominator of rational number having the common factor, they reduce to lowest term such such that the denominator is non-negative. That means always denominator should be non-negative value here. Here that is a rational number. That means, for example, you are using the rational number p natural in the mathematical point p by q form. The rational numbers appear in a p by q form. Here, how can you apply the some of the Julia operations on rational numbers here? How can you apply the Julia operation here? For example, the rational number is a form 2 slash slash here 2 slash slash this value 2 slash slash that was output here. That's a representation p by q. That means in the mathematical representation it is in the form of p by q. That is a rational number. That means for the rational number also you will apply the sum of the operations here. Here 6 by 2 minus, that means you get a mm, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 4 2 slash slash 4. I want to get a numerator value. Here for example I am having the same rational number I am taking. Here the same rational number 2 slash slash 2 slash slash 3. For the 2 slash slash 3 numerator, the numerator is a function. This function used to the numerator value of a rational number p value. It gives p by q p value. Similarly we will apply the denominator function. Here what is the denominator function in this case? Here the denominator function produces a result as a the p by q value. Here it produces a result q value. Here similarly you will apply the sum of the comparison operators on denominator. Here some of the comparison operator, some of the comparison, what are the comparison operators here? That means for the rational numbers you will apply the equal to, not equal to, and then greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. That means different comparison operators are there. For example, let us take simple comparison operator. 2 by 3 equal to 6 by 9. Is it true or false? Yes. 6.9 value is automatically converted into 2.3. It's a true value. That means it's a true. Similarly, not equal to. Here it's a, if you write a not equal to value, it gives false statement. Here let us take not equal to value. Here not equal to, not equal to in the sense it gives false statement here. For example, greater than or equal to. Here let us take simple information, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Here for example greater than or equal, it gives a true statement, or equal to satisfy. For example, simply I'm writing the simple greater than. Here it gives a false statement. Here in this way some of the you will apply the some of the comparison operator on numbers. Here some of the functions you are using floating point number. Here you may converting the rational number into floating point number here. Here how can you converting the rational number into floating point number? Here sometimes there is a requirement here is there. Here for example float of 3 by 4. So that means if you 3 by 3 slash slash by 4 in the sense 3 slash slash by 4. If you want to converting float in the sense that's value 0.75. 0.75. That's value it gives the 0.75. That is a different way of representing the rational number. Not only this information, you are having the some of the other operations also there. That means you will apply the arithmetic operations on floating number, relational operations on floating number. Here, like that, you this is a some information about the this floating number. Okay, thank you.